Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And yesterday and today, I made a video on how to make this weave pattern. Then I started thinking there might be a better way to do it even better. Let's take a rectangle. Let's make it 1 inch tall by 1/4 inch, 0.25. Let's Control D and make a duplicate of that. I've got my dunce factor set on 1. I'm going to make this one red, and I'm going to take the next shape and I'm going to make it yellow. I'm going to go ahead and take away the outline by right-clicking. I'm going to rotate this guy 90 degrees. I'm going to nudge it over. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and move it over. But then I'm going to take the yellow one and go order front of page. So now we got an opposite pattern. So now I'm going to Control D and put my arrow key twice. Then I'll Control D, Control D, Control D. So I've got an alternating pattern. I'm going to go ahead and group this together, Control G. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to nudge it down 1 time. And then to make the pattern work, I'm going to mirror it horizontally. Now, once you have that, you're done. Control D and nudge it twice, Control D, and it nudges it twice again. That way you have a alternating weave pattern done really, really quick. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.